Good morning, students. In the last class, I explained you many definitions related to fractions, and I told you to write all these definitions in your notebook also. I hope all of you have written. And besides this, I also explained you multiplication of fractions. This one question, multiplication of fractions, question number 1 of exercise 2a. Find the product for each of the following. This was also completed. Today we will continue the same exercise 2a, question number 2 and 3. Let us start. See here, there are 8 parts of this question: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I have written all these 8 parts here in my register. Okay. So students, here we have to multiply this 1 upon 4 by this 1 upon 5. First we will write it like this: 1 upon 4 multiply this 1 upon this 5. 1 upon 4 multiply by this 1 upon 5. We will multiply here this numerator by this numerator and this denominator by this denominator. Now students, here we see that if any simplification is possible or not. So we are observing that no simplification is possible. So what we will do, we will multiply it. 1 multiply 1, 1 1 जा 1, 4 5 जा 20. स्टूडेंट्स, हम ये चेक करते हैं कि क्या कोई नंबर हम यहाँ पर सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते. तो हम ये देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर हम कोई भी नंबर सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते. कोई भी नंबर किसी भी नंबर से, किसी भी टेबल से नहीं काट सकते, हम नहीं सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते, रिड्यूस नहीं कर सकते. तो हम न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. 1 1 जा 1 and 4 5 जा 20. Now come to B part. This is 4 upon 5 multiplied by 10 upon 55. So we will write this 4 multiply 10 upon 5 multiply 55. Now we will check whether any simplification is possible or not. So students, here we are observing that simplification is possible. How? See, 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10. We can simplify this 5 and 10 by the table of 5. 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10. Now it is 4 into 2 upon 1 into 55. No more simplification is possible. 4 into 2 upon 1 into 55. No simplification is possible now. So we will multiply 4 2 जा 8 upon 55 1 जा 55. Come to next part. It is 5 upon 9 multiplied by 10 upon 8. So we will write 5 multiply 10 upon 9 multiply 8. Again we are observing here that we can simplify this 10 and 8. इस 10 और 8 को हम 2 के टेबल से सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8 and 2 5 जा 10. Now it is 5 into 5 upon 9 into 4. 5 into 5 upon 9 into 4. No more simplification. अब हम और किसी भी नंबर को सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते. So we will multiply it. 5 5 जा 25 upon 9 4 जा 36. Come to next one. Here 7 upon 8 will be multiplied by 7 upon 8. So we will write 7 into 7 upon 8 into 8. Yes students, any simplification is possible? क्या हम इनमें किसी नंबर को काट सकते हैं? No, we cannot simplify it. So we will simply multiply. 7 7 जा 49 upon 8 8 जा 64. One thing students, this is 1 upon 20. Numerator is smaller than denominator. So it is a type of, which type of fraction? Proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. 8 upon 55. Again numerator is smaller than denominator. So it is again proper fraction. 25 upon 36. Again numerator is smaller than denominator. So it is again proper fraction. 49 upon 64. This is also proper fraction. Next, 8 upon 3 multiplied by 6 upon 5. So 8 multiply 6 upon 3 multiply 5. Yes students, check it whether simplification is possible or not. Yes, simplification is possible because we can simplify 3 and 6. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. Students, many of you do not know how to simplify. Better to simplify, we read the same table. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. We will simplify, we will read same table. We cannot do like this 3 1 ja 3 and 2 3 ja 6. No, here we are reading table of 3. Then here also we will read the table of 3. So now it is 8 into 2 upon 1 into 5. Any more simplification possible? No. Then we will multiply 8 2 ja 16 upon 5 1 ja 5. Students, this time numerator is greater than denominator. So it is a type of improper fraction. When it is an improper fraction, we will change it into mixed number. How? We will divide this 16 by 5. If we divide this 16 by 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. 6 minus 5, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So this is 3:1 upon 5. Next, it is 6 upon 10 multiplied 10 2 ja 20. This is a mixed fraction like this. First we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 10 2 ja 20. We will multiply these two numbers. 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, and then plus this number 7. 20 plus 7, 27. Students, we will multiply these two number. Then add this number. ये वाला नंबर हम प्लस करेंगे, इसको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. मल्टीप्लाई केवल इन दोनों नंबर्स की करेंगे हम. So 10 2 ja 20 plus 7, 27 upon 10. Now check whether we can simplify any number or not. Yes, we can simplify. First we will write it like 6 multiplied 27 upon 10 into 10. See, we can simplify this 6 and 10 by the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, and 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. Now it is 3 into 27 upon 10 5 ja 50. Sorry, 5 into 10. Now multiply, because no more simplification possible. When we multiply 27 by 3, we get 81 upon 10 5 ja 50. Again it is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. We will divide this 81 by 50. Then we will get 51 ja 50. Then 31 will be remainder and 50 is denominator. See here, I am telling you here. See here, when we divide 81 by 50, 51 ja 50, 1 minus 0, 1, 8 minus 5, 3. So 1 is to 31 upon 50. Come to next. It is 4 upon 3 into 5 5 ja 25. Now we will add this 4 into 25, or we will multiply. We will add. 5 5 ja 25, 25 plus 4, 29 upon 5. Now it is 4 multiplied 29 upon 3 multiplied 5. Student, think whether we can simplify any number or not. No, we cannot simplify. So we will multiply. 4 9 ja 36, carry 3, 4 2 ja 8, and 3 11 upon 3 5 ja 15. Now divide this 116 by this 15. 15 1 ja 15. See here again I am dividing here 116 by 15. 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, 15 5 ja 75, 15 6 ja 90, 15 7 ja 105, 15 7 ja 105, 15 8 ja 120. So we will write 15 7 ja 105. 6 minus 5 1, 1 minus 0 1. So we will write it 7 is to 11 upon 15. 7 is to 11 upon 15. This is known as whole number. Next, here both the numbers are mixed number. We have to multiply 20 is to 3 upon 5 by 3 is to 1 upon 10. So first we will change this mixed number into improper fraction. 25 ja 100. When we multiply 20 by 5, 25 ja 100, 100 plus this 3, 103 upon 5 into 10 3 ja 30, 30 plus 1, 31 upon 10. Now check it whether we can simplify or not. We cannot simplify it, so we will multiply. First we will multiply this 103 by this 31. 103 multiply by this 31. 1 3 ja 3, 1 0 ja 0, 1 1 ja 1. Then 3 3 ja 9, 3 0 ja 0, 3 1 ja 3. Add 3 plus 0 3, 0 and 9 9, 1 and this 3. It is 3193 upon 10 5 ja 50. Now we will divide this 3193 by this 50. Students, to read the table of 50, we will read the table of 5 for this 31. Here we can read 5 6 ja 30. It means 56 ja 300. 9 minus 0 9, 1 minus 0 1, then this 3. Again read the table of 5. For this we can read 5 3 ja 15. So 53 ja 150. 3 minus 0 3, 9 minus 5 4. It can be written as 63 is to 43 upon this 50. Clear? I think up to here there should be no doubt. Come to next question. Question number 3. Find the value of the following. Again there are 8 parts. I have written all these 8 parts also in my register. Okay. So come to here. See. Find the value of the following. First part is 1 upon 4 of 400. So students, here first we will write this 1 upon 4, this one. Then this of, in place of we will write multiply, then this 400. First we will write this 1 upon 4. In place of this of we will write multiply, then this 400. Now simplify this and this number. It will be simplified. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 0 0. Now it is 1 into 100. 1 into 100 upon this 1. As I told you earlier, if there is 1 in denominator, we will not write 1. So 1 into 100 is equal 100 1 ja 100. Next, 1 upon 2 of 58. First we will write this 1 upon 2 of means into 58. Sorry. Again students, we will try to simplify this 2 and 58. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 here. 2 2 ja 4, 1 remainder, then 18, 2 9 ja 18. Again this is 1 into 29. 1 into 29, 29 1 ja 29. We will not write this one. Next, this is 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 in place of we will write into, then this 24. Again simplify it. 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24. So this is 1 into 8. 8 1 ja 8. Do this part. 1 upon 9 of into, then this 99. 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9. Then this is 1 into 11, 11 1 ja 11. Next, 2 upon 3 of 1200. 2 upon 3 in place of we will write into, then this 1200. Now try to simplify this one. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, 0 0. This time it is not 1, it is 2. So 2 into 400. 2 into 400, it will be 2 4 ja 8, then this 0. Next is 3 upon 5. In place of we will write into, then this 345. Try to simplify this 5 and 345. 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30, 4 remainder 45, 5 9 ja 45. Now this 3 into 69. We will not write this one. Now 3 9 ja 27, carry 2, 3 6 ja 18 and 2 20. Next 6 upon 5 into 400. 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 40, then this 0. 6 into 80. 6 8 ja 48. Sorry, 6 8 ja 48, then this 0. And last one is 1 upon 8 into 160. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 0. 21 ja 20. 1 into 20, 21 ja 20. So students, we finished this exercise 2A also. Now I am going to start next exercise 2B, in which what we will do, we will do division of fraction. In exercise 2A we did multiplication of fraction. In this exercise we will do division of fraction. So what is division of fraction? We know that division is the inverse of multiplication. Thus, while dividing fractions, the division sign is changed to the multiplication sign, and the given dividend is multiplied by the reciprocal of the divisor. Division of whole numbers by fractions. A whole number can be divided by a fraction by multiplying the given whole number by the reciprocal of the given fraction. See, students, see here, I am trying to explain you here in the example. First I am explaining you this. Solve the following example 8. We have to divide this 5 upon 8 divided by 5. So students, what we will do, this 5 upon 8 will be written as it is. See here, this 5 upon 8 will be written as it is. Then change this divide sign into multiplication and write the reciprocal of this 5. What will be the reciprocal of 5? 1 upon 5. So we will write it 1 upon 5. I told you earlier what are reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So first we will write this 5 upon 8, then change this division sign to multiply, and then write the reciprocal of the second number. It is 5, then its reciprocal will be 1 upon 5. Now we can simplify it if it is possible. So here students, it is possible. See, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. Then what is left? 1 upon 8 into this 1 upon 1. Multiply 1 1 ja 1, 8 1 ja 8. B example, 8 upon 10 divided by 24. So first we will write this 8 upon 10. Change this divide into multiply. Then what will be reciprocal of 24? Reciprocal of 24 will be 1 upon 24. Now simplify it if possible. Yes, we can simplify it. 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So it is 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 3. Now multiply 1 1 ja 1 upon 10 3 ja 30. See next example 9. It is 2 upon 3 divided by 8 upon 9. So first we will write this 2 upon 3. Change this divide into multiply. Then write the reciprocal of second one. It is 8 upon 9. Then reciprocal will be 9 upon 8. We will write here 9 upon 8. Now simplify it. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Now it is 1 upon 1 into 3 upon 4. 3 1 ja 3 upon 4 1 ja 4. Students, always remember we have to write the reciprocal of second fraction. Always we will write the reciprocal of second one, not first one. We will never write reciprocal of first one. If you are writing the reciprocal of first one, then you are doing totally wrong. Next example, 4 upon 7. Then change divide into multiply. Now reciprocal of 20 upon 21. It will be 21 upon 20. Reciprocal means write numerator in the denominator and denominator in the numerator. Now simplify if possible. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. Now it is 1 upon 1 into 3 upon 5. Multiply it. 3 1 ja 3 upon 5 1 ja 5. Clear? So students, after finishing this exercise, you will write this one from here. You can write, because camera is not moving at this time, division of fraction. You will write this one. Then from here, division is the inverse of multiplication. Division multiply का opposite होता है, उल्टा होता है. Thus while dividing fractions, the division sign is changed to the multiplication sign and the given dividend is multiplied by the reciprocal of the divisor. First you will write up to here. Then division of whole numbers by fractions. A whole number can be divided by a fraction by multiplying the given whole number by the reciprocal of the given fraction. Up to here. Then after this, come to here. Division of fractions by whole number. You will write this one also. Then a fraction can be divided by a whole number by multiplying the given fraction by the reciprocal of the given whole number. You will write up to here. Now next, division of a fraction by another fraction. A fraction can be divided by another fraction by multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Up to here. So students, after finishing this exercise 2A, you will write all this content from here, and then we will do this exercise 2B in the next class. Okay? Thank you students and have a nice day.